green cut crease is not very demure? Okay, it's not, but let's do one anyway. I'm definitely not a person who loves green, but I think it just depends on the shade, like one of these emerald greens. Gorgeous. Definitely the kind of green that I can get behind, you know? Placing on top, I will go in with a lighter green now. This is pretty much the only other green that I have that isn't too dark, so you know, we're gonna make it work. To cut this, I'm gonna be going in with NYX's glitter glue. Now we're gonna dip into the Moon Garden palette, and I want to use a few different shades actually. Ooh. She brought them a future mate. And then we finna go into this gold and right next to it. Now we're taking this shimmer here and placing it down. But also, we want some of this green, but I kind of want to mix it with this. Like so. And you know what time it is now, don't you? It's Miss Nice and Sharp time. Probably helps if I actually have the product at hand to make it nice and sharp. Oh, that's so satisfying. Bit of magic foundation time. So now what I want to do is try and make this green look kind of cohesive. Now we're gonna wet this brush. And I'm thinking, this might surprise people, but I was thinking I might use pink glitter for once. And then we're going into this bronze. That works. And then repeat on the other side. And then I go with a purple shimmer underneath. Don't ask me why, it's just the vibes. Alright, BRB with lashes. We are in the finalizing stages, and I think what I want to do is add a bit of freckles. We do want to keep the lips sort of not too out there, but it still kind of needs to tie it together a little bit. So I've used Cyberworld to line, and we're gonna be going into a nude. Lovely, lovely. And then I will go into purple gloss. I'm so hot. Well, I brought my good pearls out, and I feel very demure. Blush blindness, never heard of her. We don't do that here, we just express ourselves. Yeah, it's very cutesy. I still don't love green. Excuse me, but I think I slayed. Okay, bye bye.